Hi friends, in this lecture we will see how to connect to AWS by using Python. So as part of this lecture, we'll connect to AWS and retrieve all the S3 bucket names available in AWS. So the prerequisites are we need to download and install CLI, then we have to create an environment variable, then we'll check whether it got installed successfully or not by hitting this command in the command prompt. Then we'll go back to our AWS Management Console. Then we have IAM. In the IAM, we'll create a user there, and we'll create security credentials to access AWS Management Console from Python. Then we are going to be create a profile in our local desktop. This is a default profile by providing all the credentials. Okay, so let's move on to step by step. So way to download and install CLI. So to download your CLI, you have to go to this path. There you can see 2 bits are available, 64 and 32 bit. You can download which is the required one, and you can install the executable file. Then once it got installed, then you have to create the environment variable. So you need to get this particular path in program files. They can create a folder Amazon, then AWS CLI. You need to get this path and create your environment variable path. Once you are there, we need to test whether it installs successfully or not. So you can check it by hitting this command in your command prompt. That will let you know what is the version of CLI along with the Python. Right. So what is the next one? The next step is that we need to create a user in IAM. So to create a user in IAM, you just move to AWS Management Console. There we do have IAM. So let's scroll down, you'll find out IAM, else you can type it over here, you'll get the IAM. Then open your Identity Access Management Console. There you can see your users group. Under the users, you can see username already created, DWBIADDA. If you want to create a new user, click Add User. Then if you can see here, once you click create the user, if you can see here, security credentials are available. So go to security credentials. Here we need to create access key. To create your access key, just click on create access key here, and that will generate your access key ID along with your secret access key. You just download that one, or you can click on show. That will show your access key along with the access key ID, then save it somewhere. Okay, so once you have both access key and secret access key, just close it, go back to your command prompt. Here we need to hit a command AWS configure profile, and profile name is default. So once you hit it, that will ask you AWS Access Key ID. So I do have it already, that's why I'm showing that one. If you want to change with the new one, so whatever you copied earlier, just get that here and place it, just click on enter. Then it will ask you secret access key, place your new secret access key, then press enter. Here we need to provide the region name. So you can provide your region name here. I just provide US West. If you have US East -1, you can provide it and just click on enter. If you want to provide output format as text, you can provide text, else you just click on enter. So that just got created my profile default. So that will be available under your users in C disk. So here you can see .aws that has created 2 files. One is the credentials file, other one is the config files. The credential files has 2 access key and access key ID. Config has your region. So this is how we can configure our configuration files. Now we are going to launch our Jupyter Lab to execute our code to retrieve all the S3 bucket names from AWS S3. Right. To do that, just launch your Anaconda Navigator and then launch your Jupyter Lab. Once the Jupyter Lab is launched, you just place your code here. Here, we are going to utilize Boto3 package. To install the Boto3 package, you just go to Anaconda. There we have a syntax to install your Boto3 package. Just copy that and hit this command in your Anaconda prompt. So this is the command which I already hit it over here. That was trying to install my Boto3 package. So once the Boto3 package got installed, we are going to execute this piece of code. So Boto3 package has a resource. In the resource, we are going to pass a string called s3. So that will get your s3. Then we are going to be call all our bucket names by applying buckets.all. That will retrieve all our bucket names and place in our bucket. Then finally we are going to print our bucket names. So just try to execute this one. That will show all the bucket names which are available in our S3. So I'm going to S3 here. See here, we have 5 buckets here, and all the 5 buckets are displayed here. So in the same way, if you want to get RDS Redshift, we need to pass a string for the resource as RDS. If you want to get recognition, we need to pass the string as recognition. So we have strings for all the services. Whatever the service you want, you just pass those string here, that will get the respective service. Then we can utilize those services. Thank you guys.